Meaning of household word.
Household word.
Household word.
Household word.
Household word. The phrase household word is commonly used to describe a term, phrase, or name that is familiar to almost everyone in a particular society or culture. It refers to something that has become well known and widely recognized, either through repeated use or by virtue of its ubiquitous presence in the media or popular culture. Its origin can be traced back to Shakespeare's play Henry V. Today, examples of household words include famous brand names such as Coca-Cola and Nike, popular celebrities such as Beyoncé and Taylor Swift, and famous quotes such as "to be or not to be."